aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einstein, we're going on a mission. Start the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone to rocket, rev it up now. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einsteins, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einsteins, come on, let's go. Little Einsteins, we need you. Little Einsteins, yeah. Get ready, let's go. Shh, shh, shh.
Hungarian hiccups.
Art by Henri Rousseau. And
Music by Johannes Brahms.
way to go, Rocket! This is spectacular!
Great flying, Rocket.
Yeehaw!
Hi, I'm Leo, and this is our best friend, Rocket. Today, Rocket is going to be in the Great Sky Race. Rocket, there's the starting line.
Whoa, look at the planes.
And jets! And helicopters! We know you're gonna win, Rocket.
You're the fastest, coolest rocket ever.
Rocket is really, really fast. Are you fast? Wow.
Rocket is singing his special race song.
Hooray for Rocket! La 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 la. What's the matter, Rocket?
Oh no! Look at that big jet!
Wow, he's so fast.
Don't be nervous, Rocket. You're gonna win this race. I know it.
Huh? Rocket, what are you doing?
Stop fooling around, Rocket. You've got to get ready for the Great Sky Race.
Wait a minute. Rocket has the hiccups.
Oh, no! Have you ever had the hiccups? Rocket's never had the hiccups before. Rocket, let's land.
Every time Rocket hiccups, he goes backwards.
But the race is going to start soon. Rocket can't be in the Great Sky Race with Rocket hiccups. But how do you fix Rocket hiccups?
Stopping Rocket hiccups must be sort of like stopping Kid hiccups.
When I get the hiccups, Leo sneaks up behind me and yells, "Boo!" That surprises my hiccups away.
That's a great idea, Annie. We've got a mission. We're going to surprise the hiccups out of Rocket so he can win the race. Yay!
How should we surprise Rocket?
I've got an idea. We'll sneak up behind Rocket and crash cymbals. That's sure to surprise him.
Good thinking, Quincy.
But where can we find cymbals?
I know. Let's go to Orchestra Ocean. There are all kinds of instruments in Orchestra Ocean.
That's perfect. To Rocket!
We've got a mission. We've got a mission.
Come on! Welcome aboard! Buckle your seatbelts!
Seatbelts buckled!
Prepare for blast off! We're going to need a lot of power to blast off. Pat, 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 pat. June is patting. Quincy's patting. Annie's patting. But we need more power. Put your hands on your lap and pat with us. Pat, 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 pat. Faster. Pat, 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 pat. Now raise your arms as high as you can and say blast off! Blast off!
We're here! Ooh, look at all the lovely instruments. Oh, I just adore Orchestra Ocean. Whoops. We really need to do something about these hiccups.
Come on, let's find the cymbals. Rocket, lower your look and listen scope.
I see violins and drums and cellos, but I don't see any cymbals.
I can hear the cymbals. Do you see the cymbals? Yeah, there they are.
Those cymbals are loud. They're sure to surprise Rocket.
We have to catch them. Annie, use the clapper catcher.
Okie dokie. Rocket, lower the clapper catcher.
That was awesome, Annie. Great job. Okay, guys. Now we can surprise Rocket's hiccups away. Rocket, let's head for land. Wait here, Rocket. We'll be right back. Will you help us surprise Rocket? Great! Pretend your hands are cymbals. Now clap your cymbals. Clap!
That was nice loud clapping.
Now shh. Get your hands ready and be very, very quiet. And when we clap our cymbals, clap your cymbals with us. Ready? Let's practice. Good going. Now let's surprise Rocket. Shh, we have to sneak up on him. Ready? Rocket loved that surprise. Waiter, clap your cymbals.
That must have stopped Rocket's hiccups.
Let's listen. Does he still have the hiccups? You're right. Your hiccups are still there.
Don't worry, Rocket. We'll find a way for you to fly in the Great Sky Race. What do we do?
We need to find an even bigger surprise.
Yeah, a bigger surprise should stop Rocket's hiccups.
I have an idea! A big animal, like a tiger. That will surprise Rocket. That's a fantastic idea, Annie.
We have got to go to the jungle.
Let's go.
To Rocket! Look, it's the Great Sky Race starting line.
It's almost time for the race.
Uh-oh. Look who's getting ready, guys. It's Big Jet.
We have to hurry.
Let's go, Rocket!
Wow, this jungle is huge.
How are we going to find the tiger?
Do you see a tiger? Yeah, there it is.
That sure is a big tiger.
He's a friendly tiger.
But I'll bet he has a nice big roar. I was right.
Will you help us surprise our friend Rocket?
Let's help the tiger surprise Rocket. Shh. We have to creep up behind Rocket so we can roar and surprise the hiccups away.
Let's creep like tigers. Creep with us. Pretend your hands are tiger paws like this. We have to move slower and slower. Retardando, like the music.
Creep, creep, retardando. Creep, creep, retardando.
Slower, slower. Retardando.
Creep, creep, retardando.
Now roar real loud.
Rocket loved that surprise.
That was some sneaky creeping. That was a loud roar.
It must have stopped Rocket's hiccups.
Let's listen.
Does Rocket still have the hiccups? You're right. He still has the hiccups.
Now what should we do?
Well, the cymbals didn't stop the hiccups.
And the tiger's roar didn't stop the hiccups.
We need the biggest surprise ever to stop Rocket's hiccups.
I've got it. A geyser.
A geyser?
A geyser?
What's a geyser? It's a hole in the earth that shoots out water high into the sky.
A geyser will be the biggest surprise ever.
Perfect. To Rocket!
Oh no! Look! The other planes and jets are lining up at the starting line.
The race is going to start soon.
Don't you worry, Rocket. We're going to stop those hiccups.
I see the geyser holes, but June, where's all the water?
Wow! This is going to be great.
Come on, let's help the geyser surprise Rocket. When the music stops, say splash. Let's practice. Ready? Listen to the music.
It worked! Water came splashing out!
Now, let's surprise Rocket.
Oh, Rocket! Come sit over here. Yep, right there, Rocket. That's good.
Okay, get ready to splash. When the music stops, say splash.
Awesome! Yay! Woohoo!
Rocket likes riding on the water.
But does he still have the hiccups? Let's listen. Does he still have the hiccups? Yes, they're still there.
What do we do now, Leo? It looks like nothing can surprise those hiccups away.
We've got to stop these hiccups soon. The race is going to start. Don't worry, Rocket. We'll think of something.
Hey there, little mouse.
Whoa, where did Rocket go?
Rocket, come back. It was just a mouse.
Rocket, that little tiny mouse surprised you?
Rocket sounds different.
Let's listen.
Does Rocket still have the hiccups?
No! The little mouse surprised the hiccups right out of Rocket.
Yay!
Come on, we've got to get to that race.
Thank you, little mouse. The race is starting! We have to catch up!
Go, Rocket, go!
We need your help to help Rocket go faster. Pat your hands to the beat of the music.
Rocket is zooming across the globe. He's behind, but he's catching up fast.
Rocket has to go around the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Do you see the Eiffel Tower? Yeah, there it is. Go, Rocket! Now we're heading for the pyramids in Egypt.
Go, Rocket! Hooray! You're almost there!
Whoa, Rocket is passing airplanes left and right.
Keep going! It's the Colosseum in Rome.
Look, there's another plane.
Woohoo! Rocket passed the plane! We're catching up! Wow!
Rocket is in the lead. Big Jet is in the lead. No, wait! Rocket is in the lead. The finish line is getting closer.
We have to pat faster. Help Rocket. Pat your hands on your lap. Pat, 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 pat.
Rocket wins the race!
Magnificent.
Wow!
I knew you could do it, Rocket. Rocket, that was awesome flying.
You're welcome, Rocket. Let's sing Rocket's race song.
Sing with us.
La 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 la
Mission completion. It's time for the curtain call. Let's clap for our team. Clap with us. Let's clap for Annie, Quincy, June, Leo, Rocket.
Let's clap for the art. Tiger in a Tropical Storm by Henri Rousseau.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's clap really, really hard for the special music we heard today. Hungarian Dance Number 5 by Johannes Brahms. Yay, Brahms!
You helped a lot today.
Give yourself a hand. Go on, clap for yourself.
Yay for you!
See you on the next mission. Quincy!